How to sketch the formation and breakdown of maltose. This will be our checklist. There will be 5 steps that we can follow to sketch the formation and breakdown of maltose. Step number 1, we will include the substrate. Our substrate will be 2-alpha glucose. Step number 2 is to include the process involved. For the formation, it is condensation, and then for the breakdown is hydrolysis, and then the product of the formation is maltose plus water. That will be step number 3. And step number 4, don't forget to include or to label the bond of 1,4-glycosidic bond. And step number 5, don't forget to double check all the labels of the substrate and products during the formation and breakdown of maltose. So now let's begin the formation and breakdown of maltose. Step number 1, we need 2-alpha glucose. And step number 2, we will have the process. The process will be condensation and hydrolysis. And before that, we need to show the formation or the condensation between the hydroxyl group and hydrogen. The hydroxyl group is from carbon number 1 and hydrogen is from carbon number 4. This will produce water. And then step number 3, the product is maltose in water. And step number 4, include the bond. The bond is alpha 1,4-glycosidic bond. It indicates that the formation or the condensation is formed between carbon number 1 and carbon number 4. Now step number 5, we label all of the components of the formation and breakdown of the maltose. So we begin with glucose. And then the product is maltose and water. So we have 2-alpha glucose. The process is condensation and hydrolysis, and the product is maltose and water, and we have the bond. So make sure all of the component is in place. You can use this to explain about the formation and breakdown of maltose. For the formation, 2-alpha glucose through a condensation process will produce maltose and water. Don't forget to label the bond involved, alpha 1,4-glycosidic bond. Alright, during the breakdown process, maltose will be hydrolyzed to form 2-alpha glucose. The hydrolysis process will break the alpha 1,4-glycosidic bond of the maltose to form 2-alpha glucose. So that's all for now. Thank you and see you again in the next video.